Welcome Bulldogs, welcome to the 2021 school year. It's going to be an exciting one. This is my classroom. Here are the different ways you can reach me if you have questions, comments, or need a little extra help. This is my virtual classroom. This is where you'll see the daily to-do list as well as any homework. And my desk, of course. For my Algebra 1 class, here's your word wall, 3D printer. Here are my class rules. You can see it's an acronym that spells out LEARN. I teach STEM and tech tools in the middle school, and then in the high school I teach Algebra 1. And that's the room. I look forward to meeting all of you on Tuesday. It's going to be a great year.